Welcome, students. Today I'm going to talk with you about how to submit an assignment in Turnitin. Turnitin assignment Dropboxes are much the same as other Moodle Dropboxes. You will see them, you'll see all your assignments listed under the activities portion of the Moodle webpage, or under the week that they're assigned, or in a special assignment section. It does depend on the instructor. However, if you are lost, Moodle does have the activities block on the left-hand side in this particular example. And if you see Turnitin assignments, you can always click on that. That will take you to your assignment, or you can scroll down to find the assignment that you need. Here, we're going to submit an assignment to assignment number 2, critical response, which we can access through this link, or that we can access through the activities bar. So if we click on the activities bar, you can see all the assignments listed for this course. We need to submit an assignment to assignment number 2. And you'll see the complete assignment description pop up. And you'll see down below here the link for submitting the paper. The submit paper link and the small little cloud with the arrow indicates where I can submit it. Now, I am submitting this paper late. It is July 8th and I'm over 6 weeks late, haha, for this purpose. Now, I don't think any instructor without a good long heads up would allow you to submit a paper this late, but just so you know, I am submitting this late. So up at the top, you can see the start date. Now, the start date is not the due date. The start date is just the date that the assignment will open and allow you to submit. Before the start date, you won't see that submit button. The due date is the official due date and time. You'll need to check with your instructor's assignment submission policies to see if they will allow for online submissions after this date. Because if you come in here, it's May 25th and the due date is the 21st of May, anytime before 11:59 at night, then the Dropbox will be closed. You will not see a submit button. If they are allowing submissions after the due date, the submit paper button will still appear and you can still submit it. However, in the case where you are submitting something late, it's always good form just to let your instructor know that it's there. Then you'll see a post date. So when your instructor is done marking, this is when the feedback that you'll receive will appear in this same Turnitin Dropbox. Your marks will not appear before that date. So in order to submit, you do need to click on the Submit Paper button. The easiest thing to do is drag and drop the file from your desktop or from your folder and drop it into that box. So if you've ever drag and dropped, if you've ever drag and dropped, then that's the easiest way to move a file into the Dropbox. It is quite literally a Dropbox. But if for whatever reason you can't submit that way, you can click the File, Add File button right there at the top. And then it brings up a file picker, as you would see in many other places. You're going to look for your paper and hit submit and hit open. You can save it as a different title if you want and hit upload. And then it does ask you for a submission title. I always recommend you use your last name and the assignment number or the assignment name. And then click Add Submission. You'll know your Turnitin submission has been uploaded properly because you will see a digital receipt. If you don't see a digital receipt, it means some error has happened, likely an internet glitch on your part, or perhaps something happened with the file itself. The file might not be the appropriate type. If you receive an email that says that there's been an error, please make sure you go back and resubmit your paper as soon as possible. You will receive an email to your college address telling you that your submission has successfully been uploaded as well. Again, if there's a problem, it will notify you. It is all students' responsibility to make sure that they've uploaded the correct file to the correct assignment Dropbox. Once you've successfully submitted your assignment, close the page and come back to your submission. Depending on the size of the file, you'll see a similarity report either in a few minutes or right away. One of the benefits of using Turnitin is because it will show you immediately whether or not you've made an error with quoting or citing, referencing, or paraphrasing. Taking a look at the similarity percentage will give you a hint at the severity of it. Now, this similarity report says 6%. Now, that's not a big red flag. This will change color, yellow, red. If you see yellow or if you see red, that's a really big clue that you should open up your file because there's some problem with it. Perhaps you forgot a set of quotation marks, perhaps you forgot a citation, and it's up to you to go in and fix that problem before the assignment closes. So if I want to see my similarity, I click on my assignment title, and it will open it up for me. So here's my paper, and it is highlighted in red, everything that is similar. You can see on the right-hand side what we call the red layer, and the red layer will show me, when I click on the different parts, where it is similar and to what it is similar. So here's the first part, okay. It shows me which papers, it shows me who. And I've had several students writing on this before. Now, looking through it, there's nothing here to cause concern. There's 2 or 3 words here and there that are similar, but nothing significant. If you see several lines or several pieces of the paper highlighted in red or even in multiple different colors, then you know that there's a problem. So sometimes it's just because you've forgotten a quotation mark. Perhaps you copied and pasted something off the internet that you forgot to cite. Make sure that gets fixed before the assignment closes, and there won't be any significant repercussions. If you are not sure how to fix a problem in your similarity, then talk to your instructor and they can give you some direction. So after you check your similarity report, you can close the window and feel confident that your assignment has been submitted. After the post date, you will find your feedback here as well. So once the instructor has posted the feedback, you can come back in here, click on the submission title, and read your feedback. For more information on how to access your feedback, watch the next video on how to review your feedback in Turnitin. Thank you.